Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forrest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, I've been using the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic for about a week now, and I just want to go over my experience and give everybody an update. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, I've been using the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic for about a week now, and I just want to go over my experiences with the watch, go over some things I like about it, and then some things, I still have a problem with. Now, if you have the watch, let me know if you agree or disagree with some of the problems that I have, and also some of the things that I do enjoy about the watch. So let's get into it. I don't want to make this video too long. I do like to talk a lot, so yeah, my videos usually come out too long. All right, so normally in my videos, I'm gonna start off with the things I don't like about it. And the first thing is the battery life on this thing is not the best. Pretty horrible. I might be able to make it through a day, maybe a day and a half on the battery, and then I have to charge it. I got spoiled with the TicWatch 3 Pro or Pro 3 and was getting like almost 3 days to almost 4 days of battery life on that watch. I don't know if it's the Wear OS. I don't know if it's Tizen. I don't know if it's just Samsung, but something, I don't know, the battery is not the best. I know in the past, sometimes the Galaxy watches was not the best battery, and I'm having the same problem here too. So again, if you have it, let me know what your battery life is on the Watch 4 Classic. All right, the second thing I'm disappointed in about this watch is the app support that I have on the watch. You think with Wear OS and Tizen, you would actually get more apps available. Now you do get some Google apps available like Maps and Keeps. You don't even have Google Assistant yet, which is coming. I have more apps available on my TicWatch Pro 3 than I have on this watch here, and this one actually costs more. I was just hoping that I would be able to get better apps and I could use it more and more, but that's not the case yet. Hopefully in time, the app support will continue to grow, but for right now, it's just not the best. I don't know if y'all feel the same way. I mean, it does have some apps in here, but I just know I get more with my TicWatch Pro 3. So the app support could definitely be better. Those two things are my major gripes with the watch so far. I haven't had any problems with like overheating, no burn in on my screen. I know Tech Gentleman just bought this watch and had some burn in. Holla at your boy LaShawn had some overheating issues. Plus I've seen other videos where people was complaining about the watch overheating. I haven't had that problem yet, so that's a good thing. But let's get into the things I do enjoy about it. First thing is the watch faces here. And also just the design, it's a nice watch. I think it's actually a really good size. You don't want too much bigger than the 46 millimeter. I mean, look at it. Now the watch band could be a little bit better, but you can always change that out. It's easy to change out. But this bezel is so cool. Let me do this. The bezel's cool. I like the Google Fits on here. You can test your body weight, sleep score. So everything on here is pretty cool. The overall size and design, love it. Like I said before, I love the bezel. Like, this is so cool. And then like I said before, the overall feel of it, how it works with the Galaxy Z Fold 2. It makes a great pair. You pair these two together and you have a great watch, Look at that button. So the overall design is good. The strap could be better from the factory. I do like that it's water resistant some. I do like, how it does the activity when you do tracking as far as running and hiking and stuff, walking. All that seems pretty accurate too. So overall, it's a great little watch here. Now I do have just the Wi-Fi version. I don't have the LTE. So maybe that's why I'm not having overheating issues. But overall, it's I mean, notifications you get really good. Love how you can reply to them too. You download Google Gboard. It makes it a lot easier to actually type when you're trying to reply back to messages. So I do like some of the features on here. The Wear OS and Tizen working together, I know will get better. And for Samsung to have that on the watch, which is pretty cool. It's a good combination. Google and Samsung never thought they would actually work together as far as a watch. So I can't wait to see where this relationship goes. You know, it should improve over time. It has a lot going for it. It really does. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. If you have the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic or just the Galaxy Watch 4, let me know some of your pros in the comments below. Let's get a discussion going. So overall, I'm really enjoying it. I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.